Yo, listen up. If you're a YouTuber struggling to turn your long videos into viral shorts because you need all this small clip of your favorite videos to post on other social media platforms, like a form of redirecting them to your YouTube, you need your short clips to post on Instagram, to post on WhatsApp, to post on TikTok. You want to turn those long videos into viral shorts? I've got a game changer for you. You know, it takes forever to find the best clips naturally, cut them right, edit them for those various social media platforms I call TikTok, Instagram, and YouTube Shorts. What if I told you that the struggle is over? just imagine spending hours scribbling through a 10 minutes video, watching and watching over again just to find one good moment and one good spike, going through your analysis to find one good spike, only to realize your competitor in your same niche posted 10 shots that particular day while you are still stuck on one. It's painful, right? Well, what if I told you that there's this AI model that does all this work for you in seconds? Yup, you heard that right. You just drop your video link and boom, it finds the best clips, adds caption, and formats them perfectly for you. Now, before I continue, this is Kings from Kings Classroom, where I teach you how to get more views, get more subscribers on your YouTube channel, where I teach you everything about Google AdSense, Google products, YouTube, ADX, and every other platform. So watching my video for the first time, please hit the subscribe button, share this video to your friends so that they will find it more easier to do things. Now, this is not some riffraff, this is not some gimmick. Big creators are already using this to crank out viral shorts daily. And if you're not using it, you are leaving thousands of views and subscribers on the table. So you want to know how to turn your old videos into high-performing shorts with zero effort? Stick with me, because I'm about to show you exactly what this AI is and how to use it. Now, the AI is Opus Clip. Now, we're going to go to this website, opus.pro, and Opus Clip. This is it. You turn one long viral video into 10 viral scripts. You can go for their pricing, but there's a free resources, and I think they have credits which you can just use. Now, after opening Opus Clips, you go to here. You go to sign up, follow their prompts. I think I've signed in already. That's why it's this. You can see my dashboard. Just follow their prompts and everything. You go to login. After you log in, this is how it looks like. This is the whole Opus Clip dashboard. Now you just go to your channel like King's Classroom and you just get a clip here. Go to share. For your channels, your channels might be anything. You just copy. Now it's copied already. Now you just come to Opus Clip here and paste it. Now I'll pause this video. When this is done, I will show you how it looks like. Using videos you don't own may violate copyright laws. Yes, we know that, but this is our own. Okay, this is my video. You know, here it's telling you the clip length. It shows you the clip length 0 to 30 minutes, but I don't want that. I just want something less than between 30 seconds to 59 seconds. So you filter. Then I don't need any keywords. You can do anything you like here. Your genre, I will just think you should leave it on auto. Let Opus Clip do what it knows how to do. Then just get clip and get clips in one click. And come in. Let me show you. Let me pause this video so the video is not too long. And then voila, Opus Clips has done it. Are you seeing? I'm still on their free model. That's why I have some credit, 79 gig left. So it's downloading, and by the time it's finished downloading, I will show you the end product. Remember, this is Kings from Kings Classroom. Please subscribe to my channel so I would post more contents like this and engage on this video as well. It's downloading. When it's done downloading, I'll play it for you so you'll see how it looks like. And voila, this is done. You can see it here. It has popped up, and the first one is a 31 seconds clip. You can see the hook, a flow, trend value. It brought about 3 clips. So imagine doing this for your video, and you get so many videos. The only thing is that you are limited because it's a free trial plan, but it's a free AI. You can try as much as possible to do this. Then what's left for you is to just download on HD, and voila. Let me be knowing in the comment section if you are going to try this. This is King's Fashion. Thank you. Have a nice day.